Good morning, and thank you for dedicating these next 5 minutes to yourself. It's essential to start your day with intention and mindfulness, setting a positive tone for what lies ahead. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Whether you're on the edge of your bed or in a chair, sit with your back straight, but not rigid, and gently close your eyes. Now, let's shift our focus to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the air entering your body, and imagine any tension or worries being released as you exhale. Continue to breathe in this way, allowing each breath to be slower and deeper than the last. As you breathe, feel your chest and abdomen gently rise and fall. Tune into your breath as if it were your anchor, keeping you grounded in this moment. Take a moment to check in with your body. Notice how it feels. Are there any areas of tension or tightness? If so, acknowledge them and offer them permission to relax. Send love and gratitude to your body for carrying you through each day. Let it know that it's okay to rest and relax during these next 5 minutes. Your mind may start to wander, and that's perfectly normal. When it does, gently redirect your focus back to your breath. It's your anchor, keeping you centered and present. Now, think of one thing from your morning that brought a smile to your face, made you feel thankful, or filled you with appreciation. Hold on to that feeling for a moment. Inhale that positive emotion from the top of your head down to the tips of your toes. Allow a smile to form on your face if it feels natural. As you continue to breathe, consider one small thing you can do today to carry this feeling of joy and positivity with you. It might be as simple as savoring a cup of your favorite tea or coffee, or making a plan to call a friend or spend time with a loved one. Focus on this intention for a moment. Feel the joy and peace that it brings. Now, let's take a few more deep breaths together. Inhale deeply, feeling your lungs expand, and then exhale slowly, letting go of any remaining tension or stress. Repeat this process, taking an even deeper breath this time, holding it briefly, and then exhaling completely. One more time, take your deepest breath yet, allowing this breath to flow through your entire body. exhale it out, and in your own time, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a moment to thank yourself for this precious gift of 5 minutes of intentional self-care. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and carry this sense of mindfulness and positivity with you as you embrace the rest of your day. Thank you for choosing to start your day with intention and kindness. Have a wonderful day ahead.